Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Jabra Elite 4 Active with your iPhone. We can connect them basically with any iPhone, and in this video I'm using the iPhone XR. So first of all, we have to open this charging case of our earbuds, then remove them and click and hold these two buttons until indicators right here blinks on the blue. If it is not working, just release and repeat. Right now we are able to release both buttons, then put them close to our iPhone and simply go to the Bluetooth settings, turn it on by tapping on this switcher, select Jabra Elite 4 Active from available devices list. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and at the end I can recommend you to open the App Store and get the Jabra Sound Plus application. So type on the search pool Jabra Sound Plus and download this application. Thanks to this app, we'll get more features, like for example the sound equalizer. We'll be able also to customize, for example, the touchpads and download the new firmware. So let's download this app and open it. As you can see, that's the welcome screen. And when we previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, they will be automatically connected. So you just have to be patient and wait. Then click pair when this notification pops on the screen in the Jabra Sound Plus application. Here we are able to skip this screen by tapping on the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.